Sun's getting low. What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. It's boy LS75254. Sudden setting. Summertime 2023. You know what I'm saying? You gotta wait till the sun go down. This the beginning of it. This ain't even the height of it. We ain't even in the middle of this shit. Couple weeks till Whip Fest. Texas Whip Fest, June 10th. So what we doing out here with the Cutlass? I told y'all I did not like this up under here. So what your boy do? Show you what I got. Original repops. This says it's for 81 to 87 Cutlass hood insulation. I forgot where I ordered this from. I think it was Jigs. A little part number and all that good stuff. So we finna tear down this old busted and then put up that new hotness, cause this fuck around and probably look like you can catch asbestos or something from that. Alright, so we're gonna open up this box here. Got a bad boy staple pretty good. So it come with the new clips. Pull out the new lining, baby. The new lining, baby. Yeah, just like that. Alright. So we're gonna pull this over and down. That bad boy in the trash. It's not like we was gonna reuse it anyway. And like I said, it's all beat the hell up anyway. I'm surprised there wasn't nothing living behind this motherfucker. Alright. So the old busted versus the new hotness. Alright, so let's start getting a new one up there. Let me see if I can't find a little pry tool so I can get them old ones dying. Alright, so I don't know where my original pry tool is at. So I'm gonna end up using this camera. Got them old clips and with the new clips. Go up with the new. Go up with the new. I wanted the hose like match exactly, because I'm looking at it and I'm not exactly sure it do. It'll be alright though. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there go one. So the strategy I see is pin the 4 corners, I guess. Like, some of these holes ain't even fucking close, nigga. Unless I put them in the wrong spot. You know what? I think I did. I got this shit backwards. Alright, hold on. So 1, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the top. So this way is the correct way. You know what I mean? What you got? Alright, okay. Talk to me. Oh shit. Alright, hello y'all. Let me get it together. Alright, now we cooking. Now we cooking with Crisco, baby. I probably should have worked. I probably should have worked my way from the inside out. So as you can see, we got it on. The hose was not 100% correct. I don't know if that's because it varied by model, but for the most part, I mean, they got it right. The material is pretty easy to poke through to make the holes where you need them to be. Yeah, I mean, what can you say? Less than $100. I want to say it was like 50 something, 60 something like that for this. I'll find a link, put it in the description box below. But just one more thing, man. Like I said, I ran into it on the box Chevy, man, and it just makes a big difference. Looking under the hood. I mean, some people take it off. Some people just paint up under the hood, but we just going back with the original, you know, nothing fancy. This ain't no show car that we building. Just building them and riding them and enjoying them is what we do. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Like I said, middle of summer, just trying to keep going, man. This is June, man, so this makes month number 6 of no smoking. You know what I'm saying? So consistently staying with that. The only thing that I didn't keep, like, resolution wise, man, is I didn't keep to like working out and shit. But I'm gonna probably get back on that here in the near future or whatever, so that I can, you know, health is wealth and all that good stuff. So ain't no real videos of progress or videos of adventure or nothing about that, man. That's something personal that I'm doing. So yeah, T is what it is. But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I might got some new content coming for y'all. Something that I said that I would never do. What could it be? What could it be that I said that I would never do? What could it be? Take your guesses. Put it in the comments. What could it be that LS said he would never do that he about to do? So many things. I might have a habit of saying I'll never do that, and then possibly turning around and doing said thing that I said that I would not do. So it happens. It is what it is. But yeah, man, got the new Underhood installation installed on the Cutlass, and she looking good. I'm gonna have to see what I could do with that grill piece. I was looking at buying some new ones. Them shits is not cheap. Not cheap. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe it'll just be better for what you call it? Airflow. Call it Snagatooth. You know what I mean? But nah. Y'all stay tuned and see what we got coming. And we out.